this is Tim from Your Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily fix the error code on your PlayStation 5, 108255-1. So to do this, we want to go over to our PlayStation, and we want to hold down the power button. So if we have it turned on, we want to make sure this is completely turned off. So we'll hear one beep, and then we'll hear a second beep. Go ahead and let go. Then grab a USB cable and plug it into your PlayStation 5 controller. We want to launch this into the safe mode menu. Now with it turned off, there's no blinking lights. Hold down the power button again. Make sure this is completely turned off and not in rest mode. Then just keep holding it down for about 10 to 15 seconds and you'll hear a second beep. You can go ahead and let go. Go to your PlayStation controller and press the PlayStation button now with it plugged in, and we'll be able to operate the safe mode menu. So you can see the menu right here. We want to go on down to option number 6 where it says clear cache and rebuild database. Go to option number 2, rebuild database right here, and go on over to OK. Now it says it's going to take a few hours to go ahead and do this, but in my experience only takes about 10 to 15 minutes at most. So your PlayStation is going to restart, and then it'll bring you to a page where it gives you an estimated amount of time of how long this is going to take. And it should only take about 5 to 10 minutes from here on out. So it says rebuilding database, 8 minutes left, and this should fix your PlayStation 5 error code with application. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Studios.